Today, our class is going to be about past actions and completed tasks. بزعبا أب حلف زجبرنايم action أب حلف زجبرنايم نجارات وين زتوجو نجارات هنا لما عندك المعلومات كم يجينا بزعبا نزار. Okay, so مجمع بزعبا past زبزة حاجة زينا بزعبا past إن هنزارب right؟ كم زجرا زجرا مزئ همز فتينا إذا سريحة إن نر لذي بخمي ملك بخمي حق جرنا إنا بزعبا past نزارب إنا تكون لما عندنا لما عندي كلاسنا مالتي so قال أقدر استزخون structures تبينا structure مالك مسارات مالك عندي structure تيس كا زي تجمع بزعبا past تزارب هاي تجمعها مالتي okay the first structure there yesterday I then دحرها أنت عملت past verb هاي حرف action مالتي verb تجواري كل جزء نبلع نستعي مدكاس ناي past خون كلها بليع نيرة دكيسة نيرة ستي نيرة بتيح نيرة الكلام مالتي لذي زي هذا example yesterday I worked very good yesterday I worked very good تمالي سريع نيرة very good already told you أفلف جزئي مالتي okay next one I finished the إلنا نتزود أنا يوم نجار نزار نقبل تهاي نحجي I finished the food very good I finished the food مصحف تهايناها
I finished the book.
very good I finished the book class تهايناها
I finished the class.
very good as an example كان I finished the document
I finished the document.
نتي document ودي ايو maybe document بعلو بإيدو دي تحفوني type قبرانير ودي ايو نتي document ودي ايو very good تالسيتي I spoke to إلكا نتز تزارب كايوسد نغستو تزاري بيونيرا زوانا شملة سوا نابنت نهينوك تزاري بيونيرا I spoke to
Enoch.
I spoke to
Enoch.
very good I spoke to Henok Excuse example نرايا I spoke to the manager
I spoke to the manager.
I spoke
Spoke
to
to
the manager
the manager.
very good እስከ ሰላም ተዛሪበያ ነይረ ተረለሃ
I spoke to Salam.
very good nice ንቦስ ተዛሪበያ ነይረ ንዓመይ ተዛሪበያ ነይረ ተረለሃ
I spoke to my boss.
very good nice ንዓርከይ ተዛሪበዮ ነይረ ተረለሃ
I spoke to my friend.
very good ንአቦይ ተዛሪበዮ ነይረ ተረለሃ
I spoke to my father.
very nice ለዚያኻ ምስክስቶ ተዛሪበ ነይረ ምስክስቶ ተዛሪበ ነይረ ንባሪና ንጥቀመላ ማለት እዩ ሕጂስከ ሓንቲ ነገር ክምላላኻ ትማሊ ንሓወይ ተዛሪበዮ ነይረ
Yesterday I spoke to my brother.
very good nice ትማሊ መጽሓፍ ወዲኤያ ተላኻ
I read it yesterday. I read in the book.
እስከ ካብዚአን ዝረኣናየን እንዳሓተካደሎ ወዲኤያ ተላኻ finished okay ትማሊ
Yesterday I finished my book.
very good I finished my book or I finished the book ካብዚአን ኣብዚኣ ዘለዋ እየ እንዳሓተካደሎ
Okay.
and good nice then መሰረታዊ structure ናይ ብዛዕባ past tense ክንዛረብ ከለና እየን ማለት እዩ okay very good next is then verbs then ከገድሳና እየን ናይ ሕሉፍ verbs እየን ዳዕዳመይቲ worked ሰሪሐ ነይረ ማለት እዩ እስከ ትማሊ ሰሪሐ ነይረ
Yesterday I worked.
very good nice worked ማለት ሰሪሐ good ካላይቲ studied
Studied.
studied
Studied.
studied
Studied.
ኣጽኒዐ ነይረ okay
I
ኣጽኒዐ ነይረ ኣብ ሕሉፍ okay እስካ ትማሊ ኣጽኒዐ ነይረ
yesterday I studied.
very good ትማሊ እንግሊሽ ኣጽኒዐ ነይረ
Yesterday I studied English.
very good nice ጽቡቕ ሳልሰይቲ called
Called.
called
Called.
ደዊለ ነይረ ማለት እዩ okay good ትማሊ ናብ ዓርከይ ደዊለ ነይረ
Yesterday I called my friend.
very good ትማሊ ናብ ኤርትራ ደዊለ ነይረ
Yesterday I called Ertra.
I called to
I called to Ertra.
Eritrea okay then ሳልሰይቲ sent
Sent.
sent
Sent.
sent
Sent.
ምስዳድ ማለት እዩ okay good ትማሊ ገንዘብ ሰዲደ ነይረ
Yesterday I sent the money.
very good nice ጽቡቕ ትማሊ ሜሴጅ ሰዲደ ነይረ
Yesterday I sent the message.
say it again
Yes. Yesterday I sent the message.
very good nice one more time نتكمل worked
Worked.
studied
Studied.
called
Called.
and sent
Sent.
very good then ገለ verbs ናይ past ማለት እዩ ብዛዕባ ሕሉፍ ክንዛረብ ከለና ንጥቀመለን verbs እዚአን past verbs
Okay.
okay ተወሳቲ verbs ከዓ ንሪኢና number 1 spoke
Spoke.
spoke
Spoke.
ተዛሪበ ነይረ ማለት እዩ okay
Okay.
እስከ ንሳምሶን ተዛሪበዮ ነይረ
I spoke Samsung.
I spoke to Samson
I spoke to Samsung.
very good ንመምህረይ ተዛሪበዮ ነይረ
I spoke to teacher.
I spoke to my teacher
I spoke to my teacher.
very nice good ንሓፍተይ ተዛሪበያ ነይረ
I spoke to my sister.
very good nice next one met
Met.
met
Met.
met
Met.
ንዝኾነ ሰብ ተራኺበ ነይረ ትብል ከለኻ ኢኻ ትጥቀመላ ምስ ሄኖክ ተራኺበ ነይረ
I met
with
with Heno.
very good ምስ ሰላም ተራኺበ ነይረ
I met with Salam.
very good ምስ ዓርከይ ተራኺበ ነይረ
I met with my friend.
very nice good ተራኺበ ነይረ ንምባል እያ እዚኣ ኻ ንጥቀመላ ሳልሰይቲ did
Did.
did
Did.
did
Did.
did ከዓ ገይረ ነይረ ንሓደ ነገር ገይረዮ ነይረ ኣብ ሕሉፍ ክትብል ከለኻ ማለት እዩ ግን ምስ ውሕዳት ኢና ንጥቀመላ እዚኣ alright homework exercise እዚአን ካብተን ብዙሕ ንጥቀመለን እየን ማለት እዩ ስለዚ homeworkይ ሰሪሐዮ ነይረ ትብል ተለሊኻ እንታይ ትብል
I did my homework.
very good I did my homework very good exercise ሰሪሐ ነይረ
I did exercise.
very nice I did exercise good ስለዚ did ገይረዮ ነይረ ማለት እዩ good ወላ እውን ብሓፂር መንገዲ did you eat lunch ኢልካ ሓደ ሰብ ምልሰሎ ከለኻ ብሕሉፍ ስለዝኾነ እንታይ ትብሎ yes I did
Yes, I did.
መሊዐ ነይረ ማለት እዩ did you take shower yes
I did.
yes I did very good ዘይገበርካዮ ነገር ተኮይኑኻ no
I'm not.
no
Didn't.
I didn't very good no I didn't okay next one is completed
Completed.
completed
Completed.
very good completed ምውዳእ ማለት እያ ወዲአዮ complete ሕጂ ሙሉእ ብሙሉእ ወዲአዮ ኣለኹ ትብል ከለኻ ማለት እዩ ተረና ናይስ ኦኬ እስከ ነቲ ታስክ ዝተዋሃበ ነቲ ታስክ ናይ ስራሐይ ወዲአዮ ተበልያ
I finished my task.
በዚያ ናይ ሄጅ እምበር ሙሉእ ብምሉእ ወዲአዮ
I finished completely. I finished my task.
ሕጂ ፊኒሽ ካልእ ቨርብ እያ ኮምፕሊትድ ካልእ ነብሳ ዝካለት ቨርብ እያ ጃነ
I finished
ኮምፕሊትድ እያ ክሰርሓለለ ኣይተሓዋውሰን
Okay.
በበይነኒ ብኮምፕሊትድ ጌርካ ክሰርሓለ ይደለየ
ሕጂ ወዲአ እየ ክብል ምሽ
ያ እቲ ታስክ ሲ ወዲአዮ ሙሉእ ብምሉእ
completed.
I
Finished.
I finish Messiah. I
completed the task.
very good. Nice. I completed
the task.
the task. Very good. أجل تيجي أفعلين أنت I finished and completed. I finished كلها ناب درجنا مود أتحدث تقريبا ودي إيه نقول أخفالو خاخون رألي أنا سلسلة ما عم تزود إسرحسي أدامي تسرحسي I finished my work الكاس نتعدامي تراي إن still تسرح هلا completed تهيناغن ملو بملو نسرح تودا هلا مايش ملو بملو ودي إيه تقول كلها مايش أوكي so ببين نفسن ذخارين and as the last one
completed.
Very good. Okay, very good. So ab استراح نتكلم على conversations كلت في زوال conversation كان رأينا. Okay. So نوت متحف لنا ني just نستوعبنا أطيفنا ذكرنا من الجام ترايز لنا معتي أو 3 seconds. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So هجي قال حتى
I studied English.
Very good. I studied English. That's nice. Very nice. Good. So today's class, lesson 10 or class 10 is this. See you in the next class and practice this at home.
Okay.
For tomorrow's class. Okay then, have a good day. Okay, نساها ملسف نقرانيها مالتي. Are you ready?
Yes.
Screen at Allah. Okay. So number 1 is تمالي سريحة. ترى لي عم تقول.
Yesterday I worked.
Very good. Yesterday I worked. Nice. Okay. And second one. تمالي نتي document سليدة.
Yesterday I sent the document.
Very good. Yesterday I sent the document. Very nice. Okay, that's good. Okay. So حجنرين كأنتين كهونا مبزحت أم سوات زجلوان جيجاتات كنرئينا ميغن اسكخلتا توسط تحتو حاتكا. Okay. نتا استراح ملو بملو ودي ايو ترى لها.
I thought.
Yes. ملو بملو نستراح ودي ايو.
The working is completely full.
I
completely
ED أتود
completed after
I completed
the work.
I completed the work. Very nice.
Completely the work.
Say it again.
I completed the work.
Completed. Not completely. I completed. Okay. Miss Manager تزاريبا نيرة.
I talked with my manager.
سكرجمة. Miss
I talked-
Manager تزاريبا نيرة.
I talked
I talk. قال لما عندك حد قارينا نيناش. ذكر 3 seconds. زي هذا تتكلم له. بس كستور تزاريبا نيرة. Miss Manager تزاريبا نيرة.
minute.
Yes.
Minute.
met تراهيبا نيرة. Yes. I met.
I talked like that.
Talked. It's okay. Talked هنا هاي جن سكونت لو ما أنت مهارنا. Do you speak English?
Yes.
So,
I spoke it with my manager.
I
spoke it with my manager.
spoke with my manager.
I spoke with my manager.
Very good. Spoke ترى spoke دي بلا spoke. I spoke with my manager.
Okay.
Okay, that's good. So رجعنا عندك رينا. مزحتهم سوات زقابرو جيجا هنرينا. And let's go through them. Okay. مزحتهم سوات زقابرو جيجا أنت Lazy ED a past tense يقولوا which is wrong ማለት نقول لنا يكونن ED نملاله.
Okay.
نقول لنا يكونن ED نملاله. دبزها regular verbs يبقالوا ED نملاله. Okay. Now بالنت yesterday I worked. نقول this is wrong. تقولي له على ED. هتكون له yesterday
Yesterday I worked.
Nice. Yesterday I worked. Okay. ስለዚህ እዛ ኢዲ ብጣዕሚ ኣገዳሲ እያ። Okay. And ካልእ እንታይ ኣሎ? Finished. I finished work. ኣብዚ እንታይ ኣሎ? Incorrect. እንታይ ኣሎ ፀገም ኣብዚ? I finished
the work.
እንዳትከውን ነይሩ? I finished
the work.
No. I finished. Already ta finished past verb لانه. So እንዳትከውን ነይሩ ኣትያ እንግዲህ
I finished the work.
ዘላ እንታይ I finished the work ታዘ ጥራያ ተገማጥ ኢላ ዘላ
ኣብቲ ኣዲ ኢዲ ተልያስ ኣይተድልያን
እያ Okay. Then next one is incorrect preposition. Preposition ዝበሃሉ በዓል to ገለ ማለት እዩ እንታይ ክብለካ ፀኒሐ called spoke ዝብል ከለካ ዝውስኸሉ ነገር ኣሎ ንኣብነት This is incorrect. እዚ ጌጋ እዩ I called with the manager ኣይትብልና
I called
with the manager ኣይንብልና ታትከውን ኣሎ I called the manager. Yeah. Then I spoke. The manager like ኣይትብልና I spoke to the manager. Okay. Good. Then መብዛሕትኦም ሰባት ዝገብርዎን ጌጋታት እየ
spoke to.
Okay. ስለዚ ትማሊ እንታይ ጌርካ What did you do yesterday? Tell me one action. ኣብዚአን ሎም ኣዝራንያን verbs
Okay.
one action ትማለ ዝገበርከ
Yesterday I showed cousin ናይ ሎማዓንቲ ወርድስ
what did you do yesterday?
Yesterday I worked
Okay.
for this.
I worked.
Yesterday I worked for this
What do you mean?
food.
Food is cooked. I cooked
Oh.
food.
Okay.
I cooked food. If you say work is something you get paid. You go to work, then you get paid. But food is I cooked food.
Cooked.
Okay. And nice. Did you finish the task? If someone asks you, did you finish the task? If you finish it completely, then what do you say? ነቲ ስራሕ እንድሕር ወዲእኻ ይኾንካ ሓደ ሰብ did you finish the task? ስራሕ ወዲእኻ ዶ እንድሕር ኢልካ ስኻ ሙሉእ ብሙሉእ እንድሕር ነታ ስራሕ ወዲእኻ እንታይ ኢልካ ትምልሰሉ?
Yes, I completely.
Not
I
completely.
completed. Yes, I completed the finish.
Yes, I completed the what?
The finish.
No, finish is a verb.
Okay.
وديها في الكلام.
I completed the work.
I completed the work or I completed the task.
I completed the task. Task
Yeah.
there.
Task any job. ኣብ ስራሕካ ከይድካ ትሰርሖ ዝኾነ ስራሕ ንእሽተይ ይኹን ዓብዪ ብዘይገድስ ታስክ ንብሎ ታስክ
ከምዚ ፕሮጀክት ወይ ድማ ንጥፈታት ዓይነት
ያ ተመሳሳሊት እያ same. Okay, very good. Did you speak to Henok?
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did. Or full answer?
Yes, I spoke
with
Henok.
I spoke to Henok.
I spoke with Henok.
Choose one. I spoke to Henok.
I spoke to Henok.
Very good. حسب أعطاني هاي with to أعطاني بحسب. I spoke to Henok. Finish. And did you speak to your friend?
Yes, I spoke to
I spoke to
my friend.
I spoke to my friend. Very nice. Okay. Super. Did you meet your brother?
Yes, I met my brother.
What is past tense of meet? Past tense of meet. Met. Yeah. Past tense of meet is met. Yeah.
قررنا.
Yeah. Okay. Did you send the message?
Yes, I sent the message.
Remember the past tense of send. Past tense send that. So send it icon. All control ka solve. Yes, solve. So no. Send. Okay. Did you send the message?
Yes, I sent the message.
Very good. أنا حتى كهلا send it لك الله. صار مسكلاجن. Yes, I sent the message. Did you call your family?
Yes, I called my family.
Very good. Nice. Did you study English?
Yes, I studied English.
Very good. Nice. Very nice. Good. So ክትምልስ ከለኻ ብዛዕባ ሕሉፍ ተደኣ ኮይኑ ናይ ግድን ነቲ verb ናብ past ክትቅይሮ ኣለካ I studied, I cooked, I worked, I finished, I completed, I sent, I met. Very good. Okay, so this is our class for today, and it is about talking about the past. Can you give me 3 sentences in past tense? Then we will finish the class. Give me 3 sentences
Okay.
about past.
Okay. I met my brother.
Okay, I met my brother.
Yeah.
One, two more.
I completed my work.
Okay, I completed my work. Yes, yes,
I completed my work.
my work.
My work. meet.
My work. كم انت حاسب كاس كان يانا تقولنا.
كل سنة حيصير قليلة ودي.
I completed my work.
I completed my work.
Yeah. One more. Third.